Hello students, welcome to the online teaching system presented by Nasra Public School. Today we will be discussing about topics called block and tackle system and basic gears. Okay, so dear students, we have already discussed about some of the simple machines and today we are going to discuss about another simple machine which is gear. We will also discuss about block and tackle system. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to explore and demonstrate the mechanism that allows smaller force to have a greater effect while using simple machines like gears, pulleys and levers. Give examples of everyday items that use gears. Create a pulley system with gears. Now let's discuss about block and tackle system first. It is a system in which two or more pulleys are present along with a rope. Pulleys here are called blocks and the tackle is the rope. The rope is passed between these pulleys. Here you can see in the diagram that block and tackle system, three pulleys are present and rope goes under these pulleys. You already have some basic knowledge about pulleys and their use, but let me tell you one thing, that this system consists of both fixed and movable pulleys. Now observe the picture in this slide. Here total 4 pulleys are present. The 2 pulleys at the top of the system are the fixed ones. It means that they cannot move. However, the 2 at the bottom are the movable pulleys and a heavy weight is attached with these movable pulleys. On the end of the rope is free from where you pull the rope. When you pull this rope, the movable pulleys goes upward and the weight also moves or lifted along with these pulleys. So in this way you can move or lift the load. Now you might be thinking that what is the purpose of using many pulleys in a system? So students, you need less power to move the object when you use more pulleys. This block and tackle system increases the lifting force. It means the force of lifting the object is increased when you have more pulleys and you can lift the heavy object by applying very little force. For example, if you have 4 pulleys in a system and a 40 kg load, then what effort will you do to pull this load is exactly the same you would do to lift a 10 kg load. It means using 4 pulleys will increase the lifting force 4 times. Now let's talk about gears. What are gears? Gears are tooth wheels that interlock to form simple machines. Here in the picture you can see that they are wheels having projections or teeth. In simple machines, a gear is lifted with another gear. This helps to pass on the motion of the machine from one gear to another. Now what does gear do in different objects? So students, it can actually change the direction and the speed of the moving object. In this slide, we will discuss the importance of gears. So gears can make things move in different directions. They can also slow the speed of the object or can make things move more quickly. Gears are used in many devices. So here are some of the mechanical devices are mentioned in this slide which has gears such as vehicles, drills, non-digital clocks, bicycle and manual can opener. Now let's have an overview of this entire session and see what we have understand in this class. Block and tackle is a force multiplier system which can move heavier objects by applying little force. Gears are used in many mechanical devices we used in everyday life and they can change the speed and the direction of moving object. Thank you. I hope this presentation helps you. If you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask in the comment section below.